Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you about arrays and delimiters. We're going to use this to make a local login which will use a text file to store the user's details. In future video I will show you how to make a registration script which will use that. I'll show you that text file method and MySQL database version. So to get started, just going to open the easy PHP dev server. Next, get the file open. Okay. Remember the same stuff that we had last time. Right, so now basically all we need to do to change this is we still don't need that, so I'm just gonna get rid of it just for the purposes of this video. Kind of stupid of me to put that in last time because others will probably confuse some of you. Just to clarify, you only need to sanitize data that is being put in by the user, and this isn't using MySQL, or it's not echoing to the web page, so you don't need to sanitize anything. Or at least, well, it should, but this is on a local login, so it shouldn't really matter at the minute, because no one else except for you is going to use it. Well, anyway, first off we want to I'm just going to show you some basic array stuff. So I'll just do this. So basically that's commenting out all that. It normally only works in PHP scripts, but because this is the PHP, so I'm not sure if that'll get rid of that. Let's just try that. Refresh. Yeah, it's gone. And view page. Yeah, so it is gone. Anyway, I'm just gonna do the general stuff. Alright, because it didn't end that because I commented out. Put it there. And anyway, an array is basically like a few items, a few objects of any type really. So it could be a string, an integer, etc. So we can declare a new array. Just call it r equals array. So I'll just do hello. Now this doesn't really do anything at the minute because we haven't put it into action. Like, I'm going to also show you a for each loop. So what is for each item? So for each array, which is the name of the array. So for each item as and we'll name it item. I think that's is either that or for each r in, but we'll try this. If it doesn't work, then yeah, we'll know it's the other one and I'll show you that. So just echo item. Yeah, we need spaces. Not keep using VB too much. Now we should do that. There you go. What we can do is echo individual bits. So we can echo 0, because when you count up in code, that's 0. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So if I do this, it should print hello and a comma. Oh yeah, because I keep going and going through each item. So it's basically printing the same thing over and over. If I had this outside of the array, then it would do that, just that one item, like so. So basically what we're going to do this for is, well, I'll just show you. Really, so what you want to do is make a text file in the same directory as the as the index is in, and just call it username, just users actually. Open it, and then you put your username, and then a delimiter of your choice, and then password. So I'll put username is cyber technology. The delimiter, which is, I can't remember what that's called, but I think it's called pipe or something. And then the password, I'll just put 123. And then if you wanted more users, you'd put that username, pass, etc. But this isn't the best method for it because it's slow compared to MySQL, and it's not as safe. So anyway, what we want to do is declare. Well, we want to make a new array equals explode, and then file get contents. So either the delimiter then the file, or the file then the delimiter. I can't remember. Anyway, do get current working directory dot, and then should work, and then users to text. And not because we're in the current directory, I don't think we need that. Oh god. So now, file get contents basically returns the contents of that file. So that should return cyber technology, and then whatever that's called, I can't remember. And then 123, which is the password. And then we want to split it with that. So that will explode it, which means split, basically, with that as the delimiter. So now if we do for each, and then item, when I echo, oh no, item. It should echo both username and then password. I'll do that to show you the, well, I'll just put a space. Not to confuse people. Should we? No, apparently not. Probably let's try echoing the file get contents. Just to, if I do this, get rid of this line, should show us all the errors, warnings. I didn't have any. Yeah, so we just try this. Yeah, so it does exist, but oh yeah, I probably did get the thing the wrong way around. So it's the delimiter, then the actual file contents. Didn't have to be a file contents. It could just be so just pretend I put R equals and then explode any delimiter. So it could be that or that, whatever. And then we could have, like, say 1 2 3, what 1 2 3, and then like that, whatever, you know. And then it'll split. That would be the first item in the array, which would be counted as 0, and then that would be the second in the array, but that would be counted as 1. It's kind of confusing, I know. Just yeah. Anyway, this should echo each item. Yeah, but without the delimiter. So now what we want to do is, instead of doing the for each, we don't need that. So user equals, don't have to do this, but it's easier if you're referencing it more than one time. And then, now we want to do that. I'll move this up top because I don't want to write all that again. So now yeah. To comment out HTML, you use that, and then to end the comment, you do things like that. Yeah, it is. Kind of weird comments, but yeah, like how you commented out. Anyway, so now if we change these to what we put them, so we will same technology, and then 1, 2, 3, I think it was. Well, let's try it. Oh yeah, doesn't help because we're not using a form anymore. We don't need that. Otherwise, it's just checking forever and doesn't do anything. Now we should show. Yeah, they're correct. So if I change the details in here, so I put 1, 2, 3, 4, and refresh. Yeah, it's incorrect. I also want to show you hashing to make it more secure. Also use a salt. So basically, first we need to get the salt of the actual password. So and just to show you how you get the hashed password, you do echo. Well, I'll just make this another file just to not confuse you all. And then hash pass .php. So then this is just going to be very basic. So I'm not going to use the form. I'm just going to use the get method. So we just return basically. And then I'm going to use MD5 for this. This is a hashing algorithm, and also use a salt. I suggest you that we need to hash it. So I'll do host equals MD5 dot and then the hash in algorithm, which is dot with dot concatenate. I can't say it properly, but it just adds on to that. So it adds on the salt, and it's just a random, however long string you want, or integer, whatever. So I'm just gonna type a random thing in. So now whenever we want to encrypt something, we always need to use that on the end. So then whenever they encrypt the password again to log in, they'll always get the same result, so it'll be true. So now I need to get the password for that, so I need to use add on the salt, so then we get the same result. So let's do the password equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if password equals, and then the hashed password, which we'll go back and try, go to the index, and then, oh yeah, it needs to check test, what I thought. Change the password to the hashed, then refresh. Did I screw something up? No, I didn't. Yeah, echo password just to make sure it's not screwing anything up. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I'm basically double hashing, which I forgot about that. Stupid me. I forgot that it's not a registration script. You only need it in registration scripts. So now it should work. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. So now you know how to make a basic login. Not gonna be that useful for well, for online sites, but for practice it's pretty useful, I guess. I also forgot to say that in the next tutorial we'll be setting up a MySQL server. We'll also deal with a registration system and then hook it up to a proper real login system. Anyway, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.